Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to your English lesson with me again. So for this week we are going to continue with our lesson using your textbook still, and let's check it out together. Alright, so for this week you are going to go and flip your textbook to page 14 like what I'm doing right now if you can hear it. Okay, so the first thing first is we'll just start right away with our lesson. Okay, so first you are going to start with doing the activity 1 and activity 2. Alright, so first of all, look at the instruction provided for activity 1. Okay, look at the pictures. Which attractions look the most fun? Okay, so this is the picture that is in your textbook on page 14, and you are given the instructions on this side of the slide. Okay, so selamat datang semua. I'm sorry I forgot to translate it from the beginning. Minggu ni kita akan sambung lesson kita untuk muka surat 14. Still tengok buku teks. Okay, untuk setiap soalan untuk our section kamu akan dapat arahan di sebelah kiri screen, and belah kanan ialah gambar daripada buku teks kamu. Alright, so number 1, what you need to do is you will read this text as you listen to the audio provided in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will forward the audios needed for this exercise, and number 1, you will read this together when you listen to the audio. Okay, so tugasan pertama kamu ialah kamu perlu dengar audio yang teacher akan hantar pada group nanti, dan kamu perlu baca teks ini. Okay, so kalau tak faham macam mana, please use dictionary to translate any words that you don't understand. Okay, gunakan kamus jika ada mana-mana perkataan yang kamu tidak faham. Okay, just to make things easier for you, I will translate it a little bit for you. Okay, so I'll start from here. 14 days out in the UK. Okay, 14 maksud dia 4 remaja berjalan-jalan, hari dia berjalan-jalan in the UK, di United Kingdom. Alright, so this is the brochure. Are you looking for something different to do this weekend? We interviewed 4 teenagers at some unusual tourist attractions around the country. So ditanya, kamu sedang mencari apa-apa yang berbeza ke untuk buat hujung minggu ni? Kami telah menemubual 4 orang remaja berkenaan di beberapa tempat tarikan pelancong yang menarik di seluruh negara. Okay, the country that is mentioned in this text is specifically the United Kingdom. Okay, negara yang disebut dalam teks ini ialah United Kingdom. Number 1, we have the Blue Planet Aquarium. Okay, this one, the Blue Planet Aquarium. It is a place where you can see sharks. So if you want to look at the sharks, you can go to Blue Planet Aquarium. It's not specifically about shark, but it will provide you some information about the aquatic lives. Okay, so if you're aged 8 to 15, like sharks and are good at swimming, this is the place for you. Kalau kamu berumur 8 ke 15 tahun, sukakan jerung dan pandai berenang, ini ialah tempat yang sesuai untuk kamu. I always go swimming on Saturdays, but this weekend I'm not going to the sports centre. Saya selalu berenang pada hari Sabtu, tapi hujung minggu ini saya tidak akan pergi ke pusat sukan. After a diving lesson at the aquarium, I'm going swimming with real sharks. Selepas belajar menyelam di aquarium tu, saya akan berenang dengan jerung sebenar. Okay, the sharks aren't very big and they aren't dangerous. Jerung-jerung yang ada dalam aquarium tu taklah terlalu besar dan mereka tidak berbahaya. But your friends won't know that. Tapi kawan-kawan kamu tak tahu pasal tu. Visiting the aquarium is quite expensive, but it's a good idea for a birthday present. Dia cakap kalau pergi aquarium ni, harga dia agak mahal, tapi ianya satu idea yang baik kalau kita nak bagi hadiah birthday kat seseorang, you know. Okay, teen rating 3 smileys from Jack, age 13 from Stafford. Okay, so dia bagi rating. Kalau kamu dapat tengok smiley ni, this is actually the rating. Contohnya in in a normal situation would probably rate something with 5 stars if it's very good, or 1 star if it's very poor. Okay, biasanya kita akan bagi 1 bintang untuk apa-apa yang tak best, ataupun 5 bintang untuk apa-apa yang best. But in this particular text, it provides you the smileys. Okay, untuk teks ini dia bagi kamu smiley untuk kamu rate kan, berapa smiley yang kamu nak bagi untuk tempat ni. Okay, so Jake, umur dia 13 tahun, dari Stafford, bagi 3 smileys. Okay, now second place, Magic Unicorn Theme Park. Okay, Magic Unicorn Theme Park. Taman tema unicorn ajaib. Okay, unicorn tahu kan rupa dia macam mana? Yang macam kuda, but it looks like a horse, but it has wings, and it also has a oh my god, I forgot the word. Tanduk, a horn, yeah. It has a horn and it has wings. Okay, so Magic Unicorn ni, Magic Unicorn Theme Park. Okay, unicorn ialah satu binatang mistik yang ada sayap. Rupa dia macam kuda, tapi dia ada sayap dan ada tanduk di dahi dia. Alright, unicorns are magical animals from legends, but this theme park isn't very magical. The rides and roller coasters are okay, but nothing special. The only bit my friends and I like is the Magic Spell Academy, where they teach you to do magic tricks. We're not really enjoying our trip today. So dia cakap, unicorns ni ialah haiwan magic yang berasal daripada legenda, tapi taman tema ni tak adalah magic sangat. Okay, rides maknanya benda-benda boleh naik dekat situ, dan roller coaster dia okay, tapi tak ada special sangat. Apa yang dia dan kawan-kawan dia suka ialah Magic Spell Academy, di mana mereka ajar cara buat magic tricks. Okay, so all in all, diorang tak enjoy sangatlah trip diorang hari tu. Okay, so the teen rating given is 1 smiley. It's from Daniel, aged 14, from Glasgow. Okay, inilah daripada Daniel, umur 14 tahun, daripada Glasgow. Okay, Beamish, the Living Museum of the North. Beamish, museum hidup di utara. Beamish is a living museum. Instead of looking at old things, I'm actually experiencing life in the past. Beamish ialah museum hidup. Bukan, bila kita dekat sini, kita tidak saja tengok benda-benda yang ada di masa lepas, tapi kita sebenarnya boleh rasa, boleh alami macam mana benda tu. Okay, you can have a lesson at the village school, buy things in the old-fashioned shops, and learn how to cook traditional food. Kamu boleh boleh belajar di sekolah kampung tu, beli barang-barang di kedai-kedai yang lama macam zaman dulu, and belajar macam mana nak masak makanan traditional. I usually hate museums, but Beamish is different. Saya biasanya tak suka, benci museum, tapi Beamish ni berbeza. It gets 4 smileys from Daisy, aged 14, from Durham. Okay, dia dapat 4 smiley daripada Daisy, umur 14 tahun, dari Durham. Okay, last place we have Giant Swing Adrenaline Quarry. Okay, nama dia Buayan Gergasi Adrenaline Quarry. Maksud dia yang boleh buat kamu rasa macam bersemangat, cuba kobar-kobar gitu. Okay, this isn't like swings you find in children's playgrounds. Dia cakap buaya ni bukanlah buaya yang macam kamu jumpa di taman kanak-kanak. It's very high and really scary. Ianya sangat tinggi dan sangat menakutkan. I didn't think this would be so much fun, but it's better than a roller coaster. Saya tak rasa yang benda ni akan jadi sangat menyeronokkan, tapi ianya sangat atau lebih baik dari roller coaster. You feel as if you are flying. Kamu rasa macam kamu tengah terbang. The only problem is that it doesn't last very long. Tapi yang sedihnya tak adalah lama sangat boleh naik buaya tu. Okay, the teen rating that it gets is 3 smileys. It's from Anna, aged 15, from Cardiff. Okay, smiley yang dia dapat hanya 3 je daripada Anna, umur 15 tahun, asal dari Cardiff. So that's basically, I translated everything for you. Hopefully you'll be able to answer this warmer activity. Jadi dah translate semua dah untuk kamu. Harapnya kamu boleh jawab warmer activity kat sini. Tuliskan soalan ni dan jawab. Which attraction is scary and very big? Dalam banyak-banyak tempat ni, yang mana satu yang paling menakutkan dan sangat besar? Okay, write it in your book as the warmer activity and answer the question. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Activity number 3. You are going to refer to your textbook still, page 14 ya. Masih lagi tengok muka surat 4. Muka surat 14. Activity number 3. Now, activity 3 you can see in your book. Read the text again and answer the questions. Okay, baca balik teks tadi yang kita tengok dekat muka surat 14 tu, yang besar tu. Dan jawab soalan-soalan ni, okay? First, copy all of the questions into your book. Salin dulu soalan-soalan ni. Number 2, answer the questions by referring to the text in activity 1 and 2. Okay, salin dulu, kemudian jawab soalan-soalan di menggunakan teks di activity 1. So, for this part of the question, for this part of the lesson, I'm not going to translate it for you. If you have any problems with the with the words, you can go ahead and check it out in the dictionary, okay, online or offline. Okay, kalau kamu ada masalah dengan perkataan, tak tahu maksud dia apa, boleh buka kamus dan tengok, cari maksud dia apa, okay? I'm not going to translate it for you, okay? Best of luck. Now let's move on to activity 4. Activity 4 is the last activity. What you're going to do is, you will copy. Oh my gosh, what happened to you? Wait, let me just fix it. Okay. So, activity 4. What is wrong with this thing? I'm just going to squeeze it in a little bit more. You better be good. This is number 2. Okay, are we ready, kids? I am. Okay, let's go. Come on, man. What is in the world? Okay. Okay, activity 4. Cultural comparison. When you see the word cultural comparison, it means perbandingan budaya. For example, in Malaysia, we have the culture in the Malay community, in the Indian community, and the Chinese community. So dalam contohnya cultural comparison ni, perbandingan budaya, contoh dia lah sebagai dekat negara kita, kita ada bangsa Melayu, bahasa India, bahasa Cina, kita bandingkan budaya apa yang berbeza antara 3 bangsa ni. Tapi in this part of the question, lesson, we are going to talk about the difference between our country and the UK. Dalam bahagian ni, kita akan cakap pasal perbezaan negara kita dan UK. So, are we really going to talk about the UK? No, we're just going to talk about our country. But basically, yeah. Okay, so number 1, copy all of these questions into your book. Salin semua soalan ni dalam buku kamu. And number 2, answer all of the questions based on your own country, Malaysia. Okay, dah salin semua soalan, jawab soalan-soalan ni berdasarkan negara kamu sendiri, iaitu Malaysia. Okay, tak perlu jawab pasal negara United Kingdom. Jawab pasal Malaysia. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, alright, I think that is it for our lesson for this week. I hope you had a great time listening to all those explanations. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, itu saja lesson kita untuk minggu ni. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan, boleh tanya teacher di WhatsApp or Telegram. And please be reminded that the response from me is going to come a bit later as I'm involved with the SPM examination. Okay, kalau respon daripada teacher tu lambat, tolong ambil maklum ya bahawa teacher terlibat dengan peperiksaan SPM. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful one. Bye-bye.